Hey guys, Bruce from CellPro here, doing a board swap on an a15. So I took apart one a15 already. This is the second one that I'm going to be taking apart. These are all sort of screws from the first a15, and we're really just swapping the board out. So anyways, it's sort of a full take apart slash whatever. But anyways, like the channel, subscribe. Thanks guys, helps me make more of these videos. So let's just get right into it. So I'm going to pop that open. Try and save the glue if I can, because I'd like to reuse it. You can sort of sometimes tell when you're underneath it or on top of it. I think I'm on top of it this time, so that's good. So yeah, so there we go. Heated it up already, so it's easier to do. It's not glass, it's a plastic back as well. Just gonna work your way along it. Like so. Now I think one of these is an a15 and the other one's an a1556, but they use the same screen and same frame, I believe, so we should be okay. Fingers crossed. One's the 5G and one's the 4G, but yeah, they use the same parts. So anyways, we'll know soon enough if it's going to be a problem or not. It's looking the same. This guy was pretty dire to get this done, so it's going out of town to hit the rigs. It's going to rigging a156. Oh no, same phone, a156. So anyways, same phone, so we're in luck. This will work out fine and dandy. Fine and dandy like cotton candy. All right, that's looking pretty good. All the screws are off. So again, this is a, well, let's take this out. I like the color of this frame. No sim in here. I don't know. So we gotta take the sim out of that one, so. Dude hasn't done it yet, fair enough. Get into it then. Man, the frame feels, I mean, it's not a great phone, but it feels like it's cheap plastic. It's hard, cheap plastic. I don't know, it's hard to explain. Like something from like a candy box or something, or a piece of candy, or, I don't know. Guitar pick down. There we go. All right, so again, all we're doing with this is board swapping. So just unclip these guys. This guy should fall out, fell out last time, so Yeah, actually, we probably do. Do we want these guys to come out with it? Where's that other board? Yeah, the other board, they came out, so there you go. This is the board he wants. This is the board that's no good. Or not no good, just he doesn't want it. So we're gonna swap that bad boy out. I'm gonna try and keep these guys red and blue so we can easily tell which one's which. There. Keep these in place. I don't want to move them too much. Gone. Put this in. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Put these guys back in. Oh, cut my nails too short. There we go. Cool, those guys are in place. Easy peasy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, that's great. Everything's in place. Everything's looking good. Clip this bad boy back into place. Oops. I think that does it. Let's turn her on and hope for the best. Get old Sally running again. Nice. Nice. Should have asked this guy if he wanted his buttons flipped out. That would have been cool. Put some different colored buttons on this guy. Would have looked real classy. Real classy, boys. Oh, that clips in. Weird. Yeah, weird. That guy pushes into place. Huh. Oh, that's why. There we are. Blammo. Cool. Very nice. All right, now we got to put these screws in. Put the screws to them. Holy, a ton of screws on this guy. It's the end of the day for me today, so back is aching. My back still aches when I hear that word. It's Tilsonburg, Tilsonburg. Where did that come from? Anyways, okay. All right, so I'm gonna put some tape on this and everything, but for the most part, this concludes the video. Really, it's just Putting some additional adhesive on this guy, and then just putting her in place like so. I'm probably going to use my machine to apply a little bit of delicate heat, but if you got a case that you can put it in if you can reuse this adhesive, then that's great. And then just put it in the case, it'll be fine. Obviously, it's not going to be as waterproof as before, but it's going to be damn good. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching the video. As I said, thumbs up. I'm going to probably label this as a complete take apart or screen replacement. But yeah, all right, guys, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.